Hi, I'm Dr. Bhavna Lokwani, a prosthodontist from Mumbai. I have my own practice since 7 years. I had attended Dr. Bhavdi Pahuja sir's practice management and finance workshop, one day offline workshop in Kalyan way back in year 2018, which I had to leave it halfway. So my journey of learning has started from there and it is still going on. Later, I had attended sir's 2 days offline workshop in year 2019 in Andheri, which has opened many new paths for me, and I could learn the most important aspect of dentistry or clinic, that is, how to run my clinic as a well oiled machine and the importance of the financial management. After that, I couldn't stop myself from enrolling his various online workshops, and the most important one was consent, record keeping, and the documentation workshop. The value which we get from Sir's workshop is priceless. His mantra of under promise and over delivery is reflected in all his workshops. Recently, I have attended Sir's 2 days online practice management workshop, which he delivered like an offline one only. He was standing whole day from morning to the evening, and his high energy levels were very inspiring, motivating, and effective too. He had taught us the most important aspect of dentistry, the 10 nuts and bolts of dentistry to run a successful dental practice. Out of these 10 nuts and bolts, the first two were marketing and sales, which we majority times ignore and think that the word of the mouth is the only and the best strategy to depend upon. But we are highly mistaken, as in today's world of online presence, we should market ourselves both online and offline. Sir has taught us very effective strategies, marketing strategies to bring in the leads and then converting them as our patients by using his unique style of selling, that is selling by script or selling by design. Apart from these nuts and bolts, he had covered so many topics which have given me more confidence and focus in my to excel in my personal and professional life. Patients' trust and credibility on us increases as we apply these various principles of practice management. Benjamin Franklin has rightly said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So, do invest your time in learning new concepts and ideas in practice management, finance, and consent documentation and record keeping workshop from the master himself, our own Dr. Bhavdi Pahuja sir. I highly recommend his courses to change the way we practice and reap the immense benefits. Thank you.